Welcome back to the Personal Digital Sovereignty Network. Today we're starting a brand new series, a digital sovereignty roadmap, but not the corporate version, not the polished version, not the buy a new laptop and call it sovereignty version. No, this is the real version, the version built on a $30 old hardware and old hardware and stubbornness. Episode 1. This is called the $30 Reboot because that's literally where my sovereignty journey began. Let's dig into that. Let me take you back. My Optiplex, my old workhorse, started failing. Not dramatic explosion, not smoke pouring out, just the slow, painful decline of aging hardware. Random freezes, boot failures, Windows updates breaking more than it's fixed. You know the feeling, the machine technically alive, but you can't trust it anymore. Most people would say just buy a new PC, but sovereignty doesn't start with buying. It starts with using what you already have. So I walked to the store with $30 in my pocket, and that's it. I grabbed a 60 gigabyte thumb drive, nothing fancy, nothing fast, and I said, all right, let's try Linux. And I tried running Zorin off of that thumb drive, and the Optiplex wasn't having it. The old bones, the old USB controller just tried, it really did, but it just couldn't keep up. But that's the thing about sovereignty. You try, you fail, you adapt, you try again. I had a 1 terabyte hard drive sitting around for years. I not installed, not used, not it just collected dust. And I thought, why am I not using this? So I installed Zorin on this external hard drive. Suddenly, the Optiplex came back to life. Not fast, not modern, not but stable. I ran that machine for almost 2 months on Linux. 2 months of sovereignty. 2 months of learning how much control you can get back when you stop relying on systems that fight you. Now here's the twist. Most people don't know. I didn't just switch the sovereignty content because I want to switch because I wanted to. I switched because vlogging became unsafe. Neighborhood walks and walk and talk videos is suddenly not a great idea. And when winter hit, I'm not going out in the 25 below Celsius trying to film a vlog. That's not content, that's frostbite. So I pivoted. I moved from vlogging to rambling to the sovereign commentary. And that pivot was only possible because Linux kept the Optiplex alive long enough for me to rebuild my workflow. That takes time, guys. I'm not gonna kid you. I'm still working on that workflow now because since then I've gotten another refurbished computer that I had to tweak and rebuild my workflow because for the moment at least I'm back on Windows because I'm going to hang around and see what happens with this migration to Linux, which I think is going to grow by October to way bigger numbers. Anyway, this episode isn't about the thumb drive. It isn't about Linux. It's not even about the Optiplex. It's about the moment you realize digital sovereignty doesn't start with money. It starts with resourcefulness. You don't need $2,000 laptop. You don't need a studio. You don't need perfect gear. You need willingness to say, I'm taking back my tech life with whatever I got. And that's what I did. So this episode 1 of a $30 reboot. And when I say reboot, I rebooted to Optiplex and I rebooted to Linux, but I literally rebooted my channel. In fact, I started a whole new channel for this reboot. So it was a complete reboot. Next time we're diving into episode 2, Linux on a thumb drive. The attempt that failed, but taught me everything I needed to know about the sovereignty mindset. If you're rebuilding your digital life, if you're fighting through old hardware, and especially if you're a YouTuber and you're fighting through a change on an old channel, definitely go ahead, create a whole new account, create a whole new channel, give it a try. Don't let all these policies and especially don't listen to some of these gurus out there. If you're rebuilding your digital life and you're fighting through old hardware, you're trying to escape the corporate treadmill, you're in the right place. This is the Personal Digital Sovereignty Network, and we're just getting started. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll be back.